Hey everybody, Woodcarving Tip Part 2. This relates to relief carving, like the one here. Mistake that you can make when you're carving a wildlife relief scene is get too uniform with your objects. And what I mean by that is any sort of repeating shape, like rocks, trees, the tendency that we all have as human beings is to make repeating shapes. I don't know why that is. But I started to do it here, and I just caught it and thought I'd show you. These pine trees, that's my bum nail. I knocked it with a hammer. Each and every one of these trees is way too uniform. So you can see I already started to get rid of a couple. Here's one. Here's two. I shrunk that one. But before that, you can imagine each and every one of these trees was almost the exact same size. So don't do that. Avoid it. Try to make them organic. If I show you my reference photo here, it doesn't have that sort of landscaped feel, right? There's a pine here, one way back there, a lot taller and thinner than the last, and you can see they're kind of staggered and each one is very unique to itself. So anyway, just thought I'd come at you and say, don't make the mistakes that I make.